Eat more of these 7 summer fruits every week to lower your creatinine levels, according to science. Kidney disease patients were able to stop kidney disease and restore kidney function by eating many of the foods that I'm going to show you today. Summer is beautiful, and the best part is that nature offers us exactly what we need to improve the health of our kidneys. Today we are going to see what the best summer fruits are, starting with this beautiful fruit you see here. Take a look! Yes, I love cherries, and they're one of the best fruits for your kidneys. Cherries are alkaline, and eating alkaline is the key to protect the kidneys from metabolic acidosis, a cause of kidney damage. Cherries will also protect the kidneys from uric acid and gout. They're the only fruit with this benefit. And cherries are also rich in melatonin, so remember to always eat them at night. Now, a very important question. Can the diet really make a difference with chronic kidney disease? This may seem hard to believe, but many studies are reporting that the diet can make all the difference when fighting kidney disease. And seasonal fruits and veggies seem to have a special place in a diet that fights kidney disease. This is why in this video we will see the top 7 healthiest foods of summer for a renal diet. Can't wait to show them to you. We have already seen our number 7, cherries. Time now to see the next entry. This is a tasty and beautiful unsung superhero of fruits. This fruit is not just healthy, it actually fights diabetes and kidney disease. Number 6 is figs! A real superfood, well deserving of being in today's top 7 because while they are sweet and delicious, recent study found out that they have a positive impact on blood sugar levels, great for those with diabetes. Figs are also particularly rich in vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is frequently too low in people with kidney problems and can really help a lot with anemia, a common cause of kidney damage. Figs are also a great source of calcium, another common deficiency in a renal diet. Also, there's only 100 milligrams of potassium in this fig, making it a must for kidney disease patients in all the stages. Yes, this is an amazing fruit! Okay, time to see our number 5 now. This is a summer fruit with an incredible health benefit. Eating the tasty fruit in this bag can lower your blood pressure. Do you want to see it? Number 5 is peaches and nectarines. These fruits may be small, but both peaches and nectarines are loaded with powerful antioxidants and healthy polyphenols, exactly what your kidneys need. And they have a unique property. Peaches actually lower a hormone called angiotensin II that raises blood pressure. They work in a way similar to herbs, but without side effects. Peaches are also very sweet, but don't worry if you have diabetes. Research actually linked compounds found in peaches to lowered insulin resistance. Now the big question is, peaches or nectarines? Which one is better? Well, the skin rather than the flesh of both peaches and nectarines contains most of its nutrients. And you can eat this one with the skin, but you have to peel the peach. This makes your choice pretty easy. Do you have a potassium restriction? Then you want to eat peaches. When you remove the skin, you also get less potassium. But if you want to get more nutrients, be sure to eat more nectarines. And don't peel them. Time for our number 4 now. Oh, this is a big one. This is a hydration hero and a true fruit of summer. It doesn't even feel like summer without a slice of our number 4. Let's see it. This is big. This is big. Watermelon. Watermelon is an ultra-hydrating fruit that's full of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are incredibly good to support your kidneys. This fruit is great for summer because it's so hydrating. And fluids are exactly what your kidneys need when the heat is on. Another benefit. Watermelon also contains lycopene and citrulline, 2 amino acids linked to lowered blood pressure. Great for kidney health! Now, the question is, can kidney disease patients in the advanced stages enjoy watermelon? As you may know, some websites list watermelon as a high potassium food, not great for the kidneys. Well, you may be relieved to know that there is around the same potassium in 100 grams of watermelon as in 100 grams of apples. This is great news because apples are considered low potassium fruits. And this also means that even if you're in stage 4 or 5 of CKD, you can still have some of this incredibly healthy fruit. Just remember that all things are good in moderation. When some people eat watermelon, they eat this much. That's your regular wedge of watermelon, but it weighs as much as 3 apples and has a lot of potassium. But if you eat just a 1 cup portion of watermelon or about 150 grams, you're going to get just 170 milligrams of potassium, which is completely acceptable for a healthy renal diet. Amazing! Time to see our number 3. This is gonna be a bit of a surprise, but it's also super healthy and in season right now. So I want to show it to you. This is a real powerful one too, as it can help you lower cholesterol levels and blood sugar levels. Let's see it. Number 3 is basil. Okay guys, you won't believe how much this plant can help your kidneys. Basil is a popular and easy herb to grow in your home during the summer. And while you can use basil to make homemade pesto or dressings, what many people don't know about basil is that it's actually one of the healthiest herbs. The flavonoid and essential oil content add to its myriad health benefits, making it a must for kidney patients. The acetic acid in basil leaves acts as a kidney tonic by cleansing the kidneys and lowering uric acid levels. Being a diuretic, basil also directly helps kidney function. Basil extracts are also used in the treatment of type 2 diabetes. The essential oils in basil leaves naturally help the pancreatic beta cells function properly and improving insulin sensitivity. Basil also contains eugenol, a natural compound that acts as a calcium channel blocker, lowering blood pressure. To get all these benefits, you can blend some leaves into homemade soups or sauces or mix them into a salad. Okay guys, what can be even healthier than this? Well, our number 2, of course. This is a summer superfood which is incredibly rich in a nutrient that's known to significantly slow down the progression of kidney disease. Number 2 is corn on the cob. I bet you didn't know how healthy corn on the cob can be. Corn on the cob is especially rich in folate, the natural form of vitamin B9. Now guys, this vitamin was used in a recent study to greatly slow down kidney disease. If you want to know more, watch my video up here. Now, corn does not just contain a single vitamin. Corn is actually a whole grain, and this means that it can help with gut health and help fight heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Question: can kidney patients eat corn on the cob? One medium ear has around 350 milligrams of potassium. This is not too high, but a bit of portion control might help. Now, there is an easy trick to enjoy corn on the cob without problems. When it comes to potassium levels, boiling corn in water will reduce potassium by half. So, prefer boiled corn on the cob to raw or grilled if you need to limit potassium. And corn has another incredible property. Corn silk, you see here, can be used to prepare a powerful herbal tea. In a recent study, corn silk has been found to repair kidney function. Researchers believe that the potent antioxidants in corn silk work on a molecular level to repair the lining of the bladder and urinary tubules to reduce irritation and increase urine secretion. If you want to know more, watch my video up here. Yes, corn is truly incredible! And what's even more incredible is that I have one food with even better healing properties right here. This is our number one for today. Do you want to see it? Blueberries! Blueberries are our number one because they have the highest antioxidant capacity of all fresh fruits. Remember that if you want to fight kidney disease and diseases in general, you need more antioxidants to reduce the inflammation. And blueberries are the king of antioxidants. Not to mention that they also are incredibly low in potassium and rich in vitamins. Now guys, vitamin-rich superfoods truly are a must if you want to help your kidneys improve. This is why in my recent video I shared with you what vitamins you need the most when fighting kidney disease. A key nutrient in this video was used to avoid dialysis for 10 years. If you want to know more, watch my video up here. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.